A Qatari court has accepted the appeal document on the sentencing of 8 former Indian naval personnel to death. Sources familiar with the matter said. Sources said that the Qatari court will set a hearing date after examining the appeal. An appeal had been filed by India against the death penalty awarded to the 8 Indian ex-Navy personnel in Qatar. The 8 former Indian Navy personnel were employees of Dahra Global, a Doha-based private defense services provider. They were arrested in August 2022 for alleged espionage. India called the ruling deeply shocking and deployed all diplomatic channels to engage with Qatar on this case. We will continue to extend legal and consular support, and I would urge everyone not to engage in speculation considering the sensitive nature of the case, External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said. Meanwhile, the families and friends of 8 former Indian Navy personnel are hopeful for early relief. In the absence of any concrete information on the trial in Qatar, the families feel there are a lot of misconceptions originating in the West Asian media on the issue. A close relative of one of the men detained in Qatar on condition of anonymity said wrong information was put out by several local media outlets in West Asia alleging that the former naval personnel were accused of spying on a submarine project run by Qatar. According to the relative, the ex-Indian Navy men were not engaged in spying but had gone to Qatar to help with the country's naval program. Qatar has also not made any proof public to substantiate these allegations of spying. The families urged that the matter be reported and handled more sensitively. Notably, on October 30th, the families of the detained ex-naval personnel had met with External Affairs Minister Jaishankar, who assured them of full government support. Meetu Bhargava, the sister of one of the former officers detained, had sought help from the government to bring her brother back. In a post on X on June 8th, she had appealed to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to intervene. These ex-Navy officers are the pride of their nation, and again I request our Honorable Prime Minister with folded hands that it is high time that they all were brought back to India immediately without any further delay, read her post, tagged to PM Modi and Union Ministers Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.